Hi, my name is Manny and welcome to another video. Today we are working on a somewhat unusual project. Today we are going to laser engrave a concrete paver. Now, this concrete paver weighs about uh, 16 to 18 pounds, somewhere around there. The cost is $8 and you can potentially sell this for around $40 to $45 each. Okay, what can you do, or what can you laser engrave on this paver? You can engrave. This could be used as a pet memorial. This could be used for wedding dates. This could be used for your first, to engrave the date you buy your first house. But it's spring here in the south and it's planting season, so a lot of people are out there starting their garden. Some of them people out there starting their first garden for the first time ever. So, and we are here, we are going to start our own garden again. So this could be used or sold as a welcome sign for your garden. If you are building a small garden, it will fit right in. So I'm going to engrave a quote that says, "Welcome to our garden," with some decorative designs around maybe. So to speed up the process, I have painted this brown, and I gave it a coat of brown Rust-Oleum paint, spray paint, and I also gave it a coat of gloss clear paint, or it's a coat of gloss clear ultra cover, and that's just to bring out the colors more. I don't want to engrave on a gray surface. If you see my other videos, I did engrave on other smaller bricks or pavers on that were gray, and they didn't come out as good. So this the color should bring out the design a lot better. So let's go to work.
All right, so here we go. Um, I just recently put the paver on the mat and aligned it with the lines underneath the laser. I did have to raise the legs about ½ inch on the laser because this one's too thick. As usual, I'm using the Creality Falcon 2 22-watt open frame diode laser. And so let's go ahead and look for a design. So what I'm going to do is go to Creative Fabrica. You can also go to Canva. You can also go to Creative Metal, or you can just use Microsoft Word to make your own design. But to make things easier and faster, and to get more options, I'm going to go ahead and type home. No, not home. Welcome to our garden. Okay, so now this website, and I mentioned this before, it's filled with thousands and thousands of designs. As you can see, there's designs for t-shirts, crafts, laser cuttings, you name it. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on graphics on the top left. Let me make the laser a little smaller so you can see better. And it gives you the graphics for t-shirts and for signs. So it's a lot of these. So what I did, I went to my profile and I saved some designs. I mean, I have a lot of designs saved right here for laser cutting and engraving. But I found this one. This is pretty straightforward. Uh, Not too much going on, but it's not plain and simple. So it just says, "Welcome to our garden." And I think this one is good. We're gonna go ahead and download it. I haven't downloaded this one yet. And it comes in a zip drive file. So let's open one of the files to see what it shows comes up. And that's what it looks like. Pretty straightforward. I don't think it's going to be an issue. We're going to go ahead and extract all the files, and I'm going to go ahead and place that in my laser folder, or maybe Yeah, why not? Okay, so that's done. We're gonna go ahead and open Lightburn. It's already open, and we're gonna go ahead and place this in Lightburn, and there it is. So now what we're gonna do is turn the laser on, and we're gonna start adjusting the design on the brick itself. So we'll move it to the right, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my settings right now. I'm going to go with a max power of 100% with a speed of 6,000. That's not too bad. I think maybe lower than that. About 4,800. Constant power mode and fill. So it's going to fill everything. Okay, turn the laser on. Laser's on. We're gonna go ahead and choose our laser, which is the Creality Falcon 2. Laser is going home. And what I like to do is do this right here. I think it's going to be, it's not going to cover the entire paver, but it's going to cover at least the most of the middle section. So I'm going to go ahead and place it on the top left. I think this is pretty good size already, but I could be wrong. Let's see what happens. That's small. So what we're going to do is go ahead and just adjust the size. And if you want to do some measurements, you can go up here to the top left where it says width and height. I got it in millimeters right now. You can change it to change the measuring scale 2 inches by clicking on this button right here underneath a little screen in inches. So let's do some framing again. I think that's pretty good. So now we're just going to go ahead and center it and continue framing until I get the desired size. Okay, I think that's pretty good. So again, always check your settings. It's not going to be perfect, but we need to try to achieve perfection. So 4,800 speed, 100% power, constant power mode, and the mode is fill. I think that's pretty good. I think we are ready. So let's get to engraving. Okay, not too bad. So what we gotta do now is clean it up a little bit. So I got some compressed air and duster from dust off. So we're just gonna clean it up a little bit. I've changed it already. Now we're going to just use some paper towel to remove the excess. See this? That's just the excess. I don't know. Burn marks. It looks like it did a good job. This is a very powerful laser.
Overall, it looks really nice. I like the way the laser engraved this little spots. It looks like there's some type of material embedded in the concrete. It's got little black spots, as you can see. Makes it stand out. It really burned the paint and the clear coat off really good. Overall, I'm very happy with this. This is pretty good size. If you look at the size of my hand, this is about inch and a half, maybe 2 inches thick. Very heavy, very durable. This is one product that will last a lifetime. So how do you sell this? Go to your city council, go to your schools, go to your your veterinarians, and you just show them some samples. You can really go anywhere. Real estate agents, like I did in the previous video. Any industry that you think might like to consider this. When you think about pricing, always offer discounts when you are engraving in bulk. Okay, if you're doing like 20 of these, give them a discount. If you're only selling one, $40 to $45, that depends on you, how much profit you want to make, or what's a reasonable pricing, but that's what I will sell it for. So overall, I'm really happy with this. Now also think about how are you going to sell these, right? The goal is for you to sell at least 3 to 4 of these a day, and you'll be close to $200. So it's extremely important that the word's out in your community, in your local town, local restaurants, and you can potentially make close to 200 or over $200 a day. And I think this market, or this item in the laser engraving world or market, could be very beneficial or very popular within the different industries out there. I know I've experienced a lot of that where I am, so very profitable. I will continue to make videos. I'm going to try for once a week. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so to support the channel and keep those lasers going, and I'll see you on the next one.